Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please do not leave without subscribing. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. Would love to watch out for it. So, we would be looking at EURJPY for this week. First, we would want to know the movement, especially the foot trend, and where to zoom it out. You will see that Euro JPY literally has actually been ranging within this level. We can see that once it comes to this our resistance level, we tend to get a rejection down to the support level, then a rejection to the resistance, and a rejection down to the support. Basically, this is kind of like a ranging market move. Where when we take a look at this movement straight, this is an uptrend move, no doubt. We can also see it trading above our 10 period simple moving average, right? In the long run, we would expect Euro to JPY actually drop. That is it. But as at now, for this week, right? Let's see if Euro JPY will give us one more movement before it falls. Basically, we are expecting a fall on Euro JPY. There's no doubt about that. We would be expecting Euro JPY to actually drop. It's either we have this drop this week or we have the drop next week. So we have this week and next week for this EURJPY to start giving us that bearish move. Like I said, it's either one more movement can be made upward before EURJPY will drop, or we very much likely to maybe probably the drop has already started. We might continue to drop downward. So that is what I am seeing on EURJPY. This week, let's see on the forward time frame. We can see that price is still dropping. I would love to see price actually drop to this same level, then find a reaction at this same level. Then once we are able to get a reaction at this level, then the price will down decide if it will drop or if it will continue to go up. That is just how I'm seeing this price. Well, this is just 50% chance. Like I said, it's either we start going up before it drops or price starts dropping. It's just a 50% chance, right? That is why I will be putting out I'm going to put out my link to the Patreon channel. You will see it in the comment section. What I tend to do there is put out high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. Once you check the channel, you can give it a try, right? I'm going to put out high probability trade. So far, all the trade we have had right on that channel were actually successful. More than 80% are actually a successful trade. Once you go to my playlist, check my channel, go to the playlist, you'll see a couple of trades we've had in the past. I've actually put the record there, for you to be able to see that we are actually hitting our targets, we're actually hitting our profits, right? So you can actually give it a try, right? With just a month, 20 USD. If after a month you are not comfortable with the service, you can simply cancel your subscription. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section, and the link to the list of trade that we actually take, the link to playlist of trade we actually took last week, I'm also going to include it in the comment section. You can just check it out and see some trade that we actually had last week and see if you are comfortable with them.